video banner for your website. This is the dumb joker. Click plus. Click banner. Video. Click the video. Right-click video. Edit video. Upload new video. Confirm. Confirm. Review. There's the dumb joker video. A video banner. Make different. Right-click. Edit video. Opacity. Red. Red tint. Confirm. Review. In red tint. Right-click. Textures. Polka dots. Click confirm. Review. Polka dots. Red tint. Blue tint. Diagonal lines. Green tint with little squares. It's easy to put a video banner on your website. Dumb Joker can do it. You can do it. Click now. Dumb Joker can do it. You can do it. Click now. 7-day